The reason I chose EHOVE is because of affordability and the proximity it is to my home. In this 15-month program, we learn multiple things, such as mental health, adult health, and maternity. The skills you learn here are starting catheters, programming IV pumps, starting IVs, discontinuing catheters.
Well, this mannequin, you can put in IVs, get blood return, push fluids. You can listen to her lung sounds, her bowel sounds.
So when you have your RN, you're not just limited to working in the hospital. You can work in long-term care facilities. You can also work in nursing informatics. There is even telehealth nursing where you can work primarily from home. How are you surviving nursing school?
Okay.
The flexibility of EHOVE is that they have hybrid days now. So we're in class some days and then we can work from home some days as well. EHOVE has an opportunity for you to further your career if you're an LPN already within 15 months. Hey Janet, what are you working on?
We are working on vital signs and blood pressures.
My favorite part about the program is our instructors. Our instructors work very hard with us to make sure we understand the material before they set us out into the real world. You should come to EHOVE because it's affordable. Your future, your career.